I'm Dr. Rye, the Memory Guy. I will be your scientist guide as we travel through the amazing world of memory. We use our memories every day, but have you ever stopped to think about how memory really works? Today we're going to learn how memories are encoded, stored, and organized. We'll start with a trip into your brain to explore the encoding of memories. Wow, this brain is huge! You must be really smart. This brain right here is where all of your memories are encoded. Here, memories are transmitted through electrical and chemical messages. Nerve cells connect with other cells at synapses, gaps where message-carrying electrical pulses jump between cells. This leaping action is a trigger causing the release of neurotransmitters or chemical messengers. These neurotransmitters connect with nearby cells across synapses, carrying the chemical messages with them. These connections or pathways are changing all the time. As more signals are sent between two brain cells, the connection between the cells grows stronger. By repeating the activity, you are firing the same set of neural pathways, and the chance that they will fire the same way again becomes greater, making it easier for you to retrieve the memory. Okay, so now that we understand how memories are encoded, let's move on to something even more interesting, the storage of memories. Imagine that you have borrowed a book from the library, read it, and have come back to the library to return it. How would you go about returning the book? First, you would pick up the book from out of your bag. This is like the first stage of memory storage, perception. Perception is the brief moment where the brain registers the information and is the sensory stage. It, like the period where the library book is in your hand, lasts only for a fraction of a second. The second step of returning a library book would be to put it into the return bin. The second stage of memory storage is short-term memory. Short-term memory can only hold around 7 items for 20 to 30 seconds. If a book stays in the return bin for long enough, a librarian will return it to the shelves. Likewise, short-term memories may eventually be moved to long-term storage, which is the third stage of memory. Memories which are repeated are more likely to go into long-term. Long-term memory can, like the shelves in a library, hold an almost unlimited amount of information. It is also organized into categories like the different sections in a library. There are two main categories of long-term memories, explicit and implicit. Memories which consist of facts and events are known as explicit. There are two types of explicit memory, factual, which deals with facts and is not linked to a specific place or time, and autobiographical, which pertains to things you have previously experienced and does relate to a certain place and time. The memories which contain information about motor skills, visual images, emotions, and spoken characteristics, on the other hand, are called implicit. This type of memory is responsible for unconscious learning and recollection, meaning it is in use without you having to think about it. Oh no, I forgot to teach you about forgetting. That will have to wait until our next memory expedition. I guess it's goodbye for now, but I hope to see you again on my next learning adventure. And remember, learning flies by with me, Dr. Rye.